Hi everyone. We give the Breakout a sporty edge. The elegant cruiser goes razor sharp. The Breakout is the long-distance runner of Harley models. It lives up to its reputation of being flat, sleek and above all casual. Maybe too casual for some, especially as the 114 cubic inches engine of this 22nd Breakout is pulling slices of sausage off the plate. How do you get a sporty edge to the line, maybe even a little sharpness? We do that with our Grand Prix products. Our GP-style angular custom aluminum fuel tank alone has a razor-sharp edge that makes our customers sit up straight. Our GP-style fiberglass rear fender is also angular, with tapered covers and integrated multifunction rear lights that do nothing to soften the sharply cut rear end. And so we add this project to our razor range, this time under the number 5.0. The rear fender, with its adapted seat shell, is tailored for 260 tires. We also mounted these tires. If you are amazed at how close the fender fits to the rubber, you do not know that an air ride is also part of our customization. At the touch of a button the rear can be lowered and then raised again for a comfortable ride. Oh, ensure that the ensemble is not spoiled by distracting elements. We have taken our side mount license plate holder off the shelf. This includes our inside number plate. This is a perennial favorite with our customers because the number plate slides into the holder and all the wiring is hidden underneath. Another small contribution to a razor-sharp appearance. Customized front end. If it's already lowered at the rear, we have to adjust the front end accordingly. The fork is also lowered. Our Breakout steel front fender is custom made for the model. And to spice up the fork from the outside, we added black fork covers. We cover the headlight with our headlight cap. The grips are from our Satin range, as are the foot pegs and gear and brake pegs. You should run your hand over the satin texture to see why these grips are so popular with our customers. To help you position the handlebars correctly, we have taken our own flat risers off the shelf. We also tucked our stripe turn signals under the grips to ensure nothing distracts from the face of the Razor 5.0. In any case, the GP chin fairing is essential for the character face. Yes, it's GP2, we wanted it to be more sporty. And to dismiss our many covers, such as the torque ignition cover, clutch cover and airbox cover, as cosmetic is to forget that we are talking about a harmonious overall look. Even the toppers have our torque design, all in bicolor, of course. The wheels and pulley, on the other hand, are completely black. Any more questions? We can't hear you. Jekill and Hyde Shorty Big Shots are currently set to loud. Totally legal, of course. Now we set them to quiet, which is also better for our relationship with our neighbor. So no questions asked. We would have been surprised. Everything about the Razor 5.0 is right, the only question is whether it really used to be a Breakout. Thanks for watching.